Are you or a loved one facing the challenges of kidney disease? It can feel daunting, but what if I told you there's hope for improvement in just a few days? Kidney health is crucial for overall well-being, and while the journey may seem overwhelming, there are effective natural approaches that can make a real difference. According to experts, with the right strategies, you can significantly enhance your kidney function and overall vitality. Today, we're diving into powerful remedies and lifestyle tips that have shown promising results for kidney health. From natural supplements to dietary changes, we'll explore methods that support your kidneys and help you feel your best. Imagine waking up revitalized, with more energy and improved kidney function. This isn't about quick fixes, it's about giving your kidneys the support they need to thrive in the long run. Stay with us until the end of this video to uncover groundbreaking strategies and learn how they can make a difference in just a few days. We'll provide you with actionable insights and practical tips that could transform your health. Don't miss out on these valuable insights that could be the key to a healthier, more vibrant you. Number 7. Adaptogens. Adaptogens are a unique class of herbs and mushrooms that help your body adapt to stress, promoting homeostasis and balance within your system. In the context of kidney health, stress management is crucial because stress can exacerbate kidney problems, leading to increased inflammation and damage. Adaptogens work by modulating your body's response to stress, reducing cortisol levels, and enhancing your overall resilience to physical and mental challenges. One standout adaptogen is Rhodiola rosea. Known for its ability to reduce cortisol levels, Rhodiola can be particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with chronic stress and kidney disease. High cortisol levels not only contribute to stress but can also lead to further kidney damage, making the management of these levels transformative. Beyond its stress-reducing properties, Rhodiola is also known to enhance physical endurance, reduce fatigue, and improve cognitive function. These benefits are vital for maintaining energy levels and overall well-being, especially for those battling kidney issues. Another powerful adaptogen is ashwagandha, an ancient medicinal herb widely used in Ayurvedic practices. Ashwagandha has been shown to lower blood sugar levels, reduce cortisol, and boost brain function. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it particularly beneficial for alleviating inflammation associated with chronic kidney disease. Additionally, ashwagandha supports the immune system, which can be compromised in individuals with kidney problems, providing a well-rounded approach to enhancing kidney health and overall resilience. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, offers significant benefits as an adaptogen. It is revered for its ability to reduce stress, promote detoxification, and protect against oxidative stress, which can damage kidney cells. Holy basil contains compounds such as eugenol, which supports liver function and enhances detoxification pathways, indirectly benefiting the kidneys by reducing their workload. This adaptogen is also known for its calming effects on the mind and body, making it a great addition for those looking to manage stress naturally. Incorporating adaptogens into your daily routine can be a transformative step in supporting kidney health. These natural remedies are available in various forms, including capsules, powders, and teas, allowing you to choose the most convenient option for your lifestyle. However, as with any supplement, it is essential to consult with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage and ensure they are safe to use alongside any medications you may be taking. Adaptogens are not a one-size-fits-all solution, and working with a professional can help you tailor their use to your specific needs, maximizing their benefits while minimizing any potential risks. Number 6. Antioxidants. Antioxidants play a crucial role in promoting kidney health by neutralizing free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and damage to cells, including those in the kidneys. This oxidative stress is a contributing factor to many chronic diseases, including kidney disease. By incorporating antioxidants into your diet, you can help protect your kidneys from this damage and support their overall function. Key antioxidants include vitamin C and E, and selenium, each offering unique benefits. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin that helps protect the body's tissues from oxidative stress. It is abundant in fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwi. Regular intake of vitamin C can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and improve overall kidney function. Moreover, vitamin C is known to enhance the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, supporting overall health. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant found in nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. It protects cell membranes from oxidative damage and has been shown to improve kidney function by reducing inflammation and fibrosis, which can occur in chronic kidney disease. Incorporating sources of vitamin E into your diet, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocados, can help bolster your kidney health. Selenium is a trace mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining the body's antioxidant defense systems. It is found in Brazil nuts, seafood, and organ meats. Selenium works in conjunction with vitamin E to protect cells from oxidative damage, and adequate selenium intake has been associated with improved outcomes in kidney health. Just a few Brazil nuts a day can provide a sufficient amount of selenium, making it easy to incorporate into your diet. In addition to these essential nutrients, flavonoids and catechins found in green tea and berries also support kidney health. Flavonoids are plant compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helping to protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Green tea, rich in catechins, has been shown to improve kidney function and reduce the risk of developing kidney stones. Incorporating a variety of antioxidant-rich foods into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your kidneys. Aim to consume a colorful array of fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, and other nutrient-dense foods to ensure you are getting a broad spectrum of antioxidants. As with any dietary change, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist to tailor your diet to your specific needs and health goals. Number 5. Understanding kidney disease. Understanding the causes and mechanisms of kidney disease is essential for developing effective natural treatment strategies. Kidney disease can arise from various sources, including chronic conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure, genetic factors, infections, and inflammation. By identifying and addressing the root cause of your kidney disease, you can take targeted actions to manage and improve your kidney health. Diabetes and high blood pressure are two of the most common contributors to kidney disease. High blood sugar levels associated with diabetes can damage the blood vessels in the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste from the blood. Similarly, high blood pressure exerts excess strain on the kidney's filtering system, leading to gradual deterioration of kidney function. Addressing these underlying issues is crucial for preventing further damage and promoting kidney health. Inflammation is another significant factor in kidney disease. Chronic inflammation can lead to scarring and damage within the kidneys, impairing their function over time. Understanding the role of inflammation in your kidney disease can help you identify dietary and lifestyle changes that may reduce inflammation and support kidney health. In some cases, genetic factors may predispose individuals to kidney disease. Conditions like polycystic kidney disease, PKD, are inherited and require specialized management strategies. If you have a family history of kidney disease, working with a healthcare provider to monitor your kidney health and identify potential genetic risks can be beneficial. A comprehensive approach to understanding kidney disease involves collaborating with healthcare professionals to evaluate your specific condition and develop a personalized treatment plan. This plan may include dietary changes, lifestyle modifications, and natural remedies tailored to your unique needs. By addressing the root cause of your kidney disease, you can take proactive steps toward improving your kidney health and overall well-being. Number 4. Natural blood pressure management. Managing high blood pressure is critical for kidney health, as uncontrolled hypertension can accelerate kidney damage and lead to chronic kidney disease. While medications are often necessary for managing high blood pressure, there are also natural approaches and supplements that can support kidney health and potentially reduce the need for medication. Vitamin D is a vital nutrient that plays a role in regulating blood pressure by modulating the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, a hormone system that controls blood pressure and fluid balance. Many individuals with kidney disease are deficient in vitamin D, making supplementation an essential consideration for blood pressure management. Regular monitoring of vitamin D levels and supplementation under the guidance of a healthcare provider can help optimize blood pressure control. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, is another powerful tool in natural blood pressure management. CoQ10 is an antioxidant that supports cardiovascular health and has been shown to lower blood pressure. Studies have demonstrated that CoQ10 supplementation can reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure by up to 17 and 10 millimeters of mercury, respectively. Combining CoQ10 with vitamin D and possibly magnesium can create a synergistic effect, helping to reduce or even eliminate the need for some blood pressure medications. Magnesium is an essential mineral that supports healthy blood pressure levels by promoting relaxation of blood vessels and reducing vascular resistance. Many people are deficient in magnesium, making supplementation a valuable strategy for managing hypertension. Foods rich in magnesium, such as leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, can also be incorporated into your diet to support kidney health and blood pressure control. In addition to these supplements, lifestyle modifications play a crucial role in managing blood pressure naturally. Regular physical activity, stress reduction techniques, and a balanced diet low in sodium and high in potassium-rich foods can significantly impact blood pressure levels. By integrating these natural approaches into your routine, you can support your kidney health and work toward achieving optimal blood pressure control. As with any supplement or lifestyle change, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting a new regimen, especially if you are currently taking medication for high blood pressure. A healthcare professional can help you develop a personalized plan that complements your current treatment and supports your overall health goals. Number 3. Addressing diabetes. Diabetes is a leading cause of kidney disease, and effective management of blood sugar levels is crucial for maintaining kidney health and preventing further damage. While medications are often used to manage diabetes, lifestyle changes and natural supplements can play a significant role in supporting blood sugar control and reducing the risk of kidney complications. A healthy diet and regular exercise are foundational for managing diabetes and supporting kidney health. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Reducing the intake of refined carbohydrates and added sugars can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce visceral fat, which often contributes to type 2 diabetes. Regular physical activity, such as walking, cycling, or strength training, can improve insulin sensitivity and support overall metabolic health. In addition to lifestyle changes, several supplements have shown promise in supporting blood sugar control. Berberine is a natural compound that has been shown to be as effective as metformin, a common diabetes medication, in lowering blood sugar levels. Berberine also offers the added benefit of aiding weight loss and improving lipid profiles, making it a valuable tool for managing diabetes naturally. It's essential to work with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it is safe to use alongside any medications you may be taking. Chromium is another supplement that can help stabilize blood sugar levels by enhancing insulin sensitivity. This trace mineral is found in foods such as broccoli, nuts, and whole grains. Supplementing with chromium can help improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Incorporating these supplements into your routine, alongside dietary and lifestyle changes, can provide a comprehensive approach to managing diabetes and supporting kidney health. As always, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements or making significant changes to your treatment plan. By taking a proactive approach to managing diabetes, you can protect your kidney health and improve your overall quality of life. Number 2. Find what works for you. When it comes to supplements and natural remedies, it's essential to focus on what works best for you and your unique health needs. The goal is not to take every supplement available but to identify the key ones that address your specific concerns and provide the most benefit without overwhelming your body. Start by identifying your main health concerns and prioritizing them. Consider which aspects of your health need the most support, whether it's managing stress, improving blood sugar control, or enhancing kidney function. Once you've identified your priorities, choose 1 or 2 supplements that target those specific issues. Introduce new supplements gradually, one at a time, and monitor how your body responds. This approach allows you to assess the effectiveness of each supplement and make adjustments as needed. It's important to be patient and give each supplement time to work, as some may take several weeks or months to show noticeable effects. Keeping a health journal can be incredibly helpful in documenting changes and understanding what's working for you. Record details about your diet, exercise routine, supplements, and any changes in symptoms or energy levels. Over time, this record becomes a valuable resource for understanding your body's unique needs and making informed decisions about your treatment plan. Remember, the key to success is personalization. What works for one person may not work for another, so it's important to listen to your body and adjust your approach accordingly. By focusing on what works best for you, you can develop a tailored regimen that supports your kidney health and overall well-being. Number 1. Keep a health journal. Keeping a health journal can be a game changer in managing your kidney health and overall well-being. By tracking your diet, lab results, symptoms, and how natural remedies are affecting your health, you gain valuable insights into your body's responses and can make informed decisions about your treatment plan. A health journal helps you identify patterns and track progress over time. For example, you may notice that certain foods or supplements have a positive impact on your energy levels or kidney function. Alternatively, you may identify triggers that exacerbate symptoms, allowing you to make necessary adjustments to your diet or lifestyle. Documenting everything from your daily food intake to your exercise routine and any supplements you're taking can provide a comprehensive view of your health journey. Note any changes in symptoms, energy levels, or mood, as well as any feedback from healthcare providers. This detailed record can help you understand the effectiveness of your current regimen and make data-driven decisions about future adjustments. A health journal also empowers you to take control of your health and work collaboratively with your healthcare provider. By providing a clear picture of your progress and challenges, you can engage in meaningful discussions with your healthcare team and develop a personalized treatment plan that aligns with your goals and needs. Ultimately, a health journal is a powerful tool for understanding your body's unique needs and taking proactive steps toward better kidney health and overall well-being. By keeping track of your journey, you can celebrate successes, learn from setbacks, and continue to make positive changes that support your health and vitality. Bonus tips: lowering creatinine levels and avoiding dialysis. Let's explore a remedy that's highly recommended for those in advanced stages of kidney disease. This approach acts as an intestinal dialysis and can significantly lower creatinine levels, a crucial marker of kidney function. Acacia fiber is a natural gum that absorbs uremic toxins in the intestines, reducing symptoms of kidney disease. Research has shown that acacia fiber can help keep urea levels low and maintain health for extended periods without dialysis. Incorporating acacia fiber into your diet is simple. It can be added to smoothies or taken as a supplement. Start with a small dose and gradually increase to find your optimal level. As always, consult with your healthcare provider to determine the best approach for your needs. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these insights empower you on your journey to better kidney health. Remember, improving your kidney health is a journey, and small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements over time. We'd love to hear about your experiences and any lifestyle changes you've made in the comments below. Sharing your journey can inspire and support others in our community. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable health tips.